Want to create an email forwarder in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, click on Emails in the menu panel. You'll see a list of email accounts. Click on the email you want to set up a forwarder for. On the Overview page, select the Forwarders option from the middle panel. On the next page, click on Create a Forwarder. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter the email address to which you want to forward emails. Enable Save Copies of Forwarded Emails and click Create. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Hostinger. Click on Activate Forwarder to finalize the setup. That's how you can create an email forwarder in Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, just use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.